Worth County is worth the trip. Worth County is one of the largest counties in the state of Georgia and has 4 municipalities: Sylvester, Poland, Sumner, and Warwick. With a long and storied agricultural history, county seat Sylvester justifiably claims the title Peanut Capital of the World. Sylvester is the home of peanut pan, peanut butter production, ConAgra, and other agricultural-related industry. Worth County is centrally located along several highways with convenient access to Albany, Moultrie, Tifton, and Cordele, Georgia, and has several available buildings and land sites. The Worth Industrial Complex is a 204-acre industrial site that is located on Highway 82 and 18 miles from Interstate 75 in Tifton. The industrial park is a grad site, indicating that it is a shovel-ready site available for rapid industrial development. For more information on buildings and sites in Worth County, contact Karen Rackley, Executive Director for Worth County Economic Development Authority, at 229-776-7599.